In order to do this, you're going to need to have an app that's called WeTalk installed. It is available on iOS and Android. You're going to need to have an internet connection, and you might want to have the Google Drive app, but that is not required. Only the WeTalk app and an internet connection are required to do this. You do not have to have the Google Drive app installed, but I recommend it. First, you have to open the WeTalk app, obviously, then go ahead and dial your number, including the area code. Make sure to include the area code when you dial it. So I'm going to dial this number, 510-984-0079, and then you're just going to have to wait. Once you get to that screen, just wait. Just do not do anything. And now, once you're here, you can go ahead and press speaker, or and you also want to go ahead and press record. You can turn on speakerphone or not turn it on. That is your choice, and you can also adjust the volume. The call is going to be anonymous unless you pay. So unless you pay for the fee, your call is going to be anonymous, and you will not have a number. Now, after your call is done, you want to go to the bottom right corner, then select recordings. Your most recent recording is going to be at the top. Let's go ahead and play my recording.
Good afternoon, Cantina Taco Bell.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant, and I'm hungry. Cookie, please.
So that is my recording. You can go ahead and press those three dots connected to lines in order to share it. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. Then you can select any of these apps, share it with any of these apps. I'm going to choose Google Drive. That's why I recommended downloading it. And you want to sign in with your Google account. Choose Google account, and I just did. Now it is uploaded because I pressed upload. It is uploaded to Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Thank you so much.